How did I get my first ever affiliate sale? Someone asked me today itself on my WhatsApp, hey Nilesh, how should I get an first ever affiliate sale for my affiliate product? So, hi guys, this is the Nilesh, Jain, and in this video, I am sharing with you on how you can get your first ever affiliate sale. And if you are watching me for the first ever time, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon because it gives a push to my channel to reach out to the more people. And as well as if you are not a part of my Facebook group, just make sure you can be a part of it because there we are going to do lots of trainings, masterclass, interviews live. So you have access to me directly. So the link is in the description, and let's get started on how you can get your first ever affiliate sales. The number one thing is there are 6 points I am going to share with you, and number 6 point is blow your mind. So make sure you stay with me. Number one is active in your target audience, in front of your target audience. As you all saw my previous video, and that you have to decide your dream customer, you have to choose the right product and all those things. But how you can get the sales after all those things? Number one thing is active in front of your target audience. The product that you are going to promote, the product that you choose as affiliate, as any product, you have to choose, stay finding out where they are. Firstly, you have to find out where, what platform they are using the most, and you have to show up in front of them, by giving them a solution, by providing them a guidance, or by answering their question to show them the right path. This is the first thing step you have to do by active in front of your target audience. Second thing is build a relationship with them. Once you are delivering the value, don't just stop conversation there. You can also build relationship with them in the private way, like connecting with them on Zoom, connecting with them on a one-on-one call, on Messenger itself, or whatever the platform you are using according to it. Building a relationship by engaging with their content, by providing them a values. If they have a any kind of funnel, any kind of landing page, any Facebook group, any Facebook profile, any Instagram, and you feel that they have to optimize it in a very well manner, you can do it. So it help you to build your rapport, and as well as you are able to build a strong relationship with them because they feel you are not you are not here to sell them something. This is the second thing. Number three is find out some challenges and gaps in their business. By doing some kind of research about their profile, about their content, you are able to finding out what is the challenges they are facing, what is the biggest gaps in their business right now, and this is help you to connect with those people. And when you share them their challenges right now, exactly when you are going to talk, oh, I think you are facing the challenge on this particular point. This is something that help you to get attention from the customer. And when you tell them their challenges, when you tell them like there is some major gap, and if you overcome from this thing and if you remove this thing, your business will grow like crazy exponentially. So this is what another way you can apply, this is what another way. So your relationship, your rapport is going to increase a bit. And this is very easy to offer someone something rather than just reaching out to someone and telling him, hey, go and buy my affiliate product, XY product. They are not going to do it. So build relationships, provide values, stay in front of target audience, and then show them the right path. Give them the right direction, like this is the thing that you have to follow, this is the step that you have to follow. Show them the right direction, show them the right path. And next step is offer the solution as an affiliate product. If you have affiliate product, you can offer as affiliate product. If you have your own coaching program, of your own consulting, your own agency services, whatever the things, that all the 6 points that I'm sharing with you right now is you can apply for each and every business. So offer the solution as an affiliate product. Like, hey, you want to build a funnel on, but you are not good at coding. I found that your biggest challenge is you want to build landing page, but you are not good at coding. Or I found that you are facing lots of challenges in creating landing page, in creating XYZ, whatever the things you feel. Here's the thing. Here's the ClickFunnels software that you can use. It helps you to build a funnel within 10 minutes. And even though you don't have to learn all the codings and all those things, just wait, that's it. And here's the link. Just go and check it out. That's it. You are doing the affiliate in that way. Now, what is the next thing? And this is thing that is blow your mind. Create a review and informative content around the product rather than just random here hanging here and there and teaching sorry teaching someone something. What you can do is create informative content, create tutorials, create how to, or things that you learn from the product. Like if the product is a software, how someone can use the software in a attractive way, how someone can make more money from the software, how someone can collect leads, collect data, create landing page, whatever the tool is related to. Create how to. Then second thing is, if the product is related to offers, offer, like for example make more offer challenge by Myron Golden. If the product is related to create offer creation, you can share informative content like, hey, do you know that why you are not able to make more sales? Because your offer is not very well. And if you want to make offer, this is the five things that you have to follow. Number one, this. Number two, this. Number three, this. Number four, this. Number five, this. And if you want to learn all the 5 points in depth, in detail, you can be a part of 5 days make more offer challenge by Myron Golden. There you are able to learn all about how you can create an irresistible offer, how you can charge premium values for your product. This is how you are going to offer your product. This is how you are going to offer your services as an affiliate marketer or as a coach or according to your niche. And that's what you have to do. And I hope you get value from this particular video. So this is the 6 point that you can follow to generate your first ever sale. And yeah, recently because of the review video, I get my sale from my YouTube channel. This is how it works. Create a informative content, create a solution around the product, and that's it. So once again, I hope you get value from this particular video. And if you're watching me for the first ever time, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And if you didn't join the Facebook group, the link is in the description. Go and check that out. You are going to lose so many things if you are not join our Facebook group, VIP community. Bye bye. Have a great day, and excited to meet you in my Facebook group and coming up with the another content on my channel.